Have you ever felt like your money just slips through your fingers? Like it vanishes into thin air before you even know where it went? Well, if you're nodding your head right now, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a tool that could be your financial lifesaver, PocketGuard. But first, let's address the burning question: can I link my credit card to PocketGuard? The short answer is yes, you can. PocketGuard allows you to link both your debit and credit cards to its platform. This simple step is a game changer, as it enables the app to track your spending. By linking your cards, PocketGuard can automatically categorize your transactions. This means no more manual entry or guesswork. You'll have a clear picture of where your money is going, down to the last coffee run. Identify spending leaks. Once your transactions are categorized, PocketGuard can identify areas where you might be overspending. It'll flag unnecessary subscriptions, highlight impulse purchases, and point out potential savings opportunities. Set budgets and savings goals. With a clear understanding of your spending habits, you can set realistic budgets and savings goals. PocketGuard can even help you automate savings, transferring a set amount from your checking account to a savings account each month. How to link your card. Linking your card to PocketGuard is a straightforward process. Open the PocketGuard app, launch the app on your smartphone. Navigate to the Settings tab, look for the gear icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Select Cards and Accounts. This option will allow you to add your financial institutions. Choose your bank or credit card provider. Select the institution where your card is issued. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you through the process of securely connecting your account. Additional tips for maximizing PocketGuard. Enable notifications. Stay informed about your spending habits and potential savings opportunities. Explore the Insights tab. Gain valuable insights into your financial behavior and make data-driven decisions. Use the Bills feature. Keep track of upcoming bills and set reminders to avoid late fees. Take advantage of the Savings Goals feature. Set specific savings goals and watch your money grow. By linking your credit card to PocketGuard, you're taking a significant step towards financial wellness. The app's powerful features can help you regain control of your finances, reduce unnecessary spending, and achieve your long-term financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.